Back to the channel, and today I'm going to do a quick review of WellSaid AI. Now, this is WellSaid AI, and this website claims to have highly realistic and beautiful voices in seconds that you can effortlessly get audio creation for your teams at the volume you need. Let's get started. WellSaid AI is loaded for its highly realistic and natural sounding AI voices. It is often cited as among the best in the market. Users find the platform generally easy to use with helpful customization options for emphasis and pronunciation, and appreciates the availability of API access for integration. However, a significant drawback for many is the cost, which is considered higher than some competitors. The platform language support is also a drawback because it's focused mainly on English. This is the cost. So it focused mainly on English, which can be a limitation for users needing a wider range of languages. Some reviews also mention that the number of voice avatars or word limits can feel restrictive on lower priced plan like others, like a free plan, no downloads and all this. You can see. So that is it. That is it about well said. It is one platform for your whole company. It is the safest AI voice platform that protects your customer data with a closed model, content moderation, and responsible AI practices. Be used by all this intention and the rest of them, so you can give it a try for free today.